This webinar will provide an overview of loan syndication, why it is inherently risky from a competition law angle, and the reminder of the findings of the Loan Market Association's notice on the application of competition law to syndicated loan arrangements, as well as the European Commission's report on the EU syndicated lending sector, entitled EU Loan Syndication and its Impact on Competition in Credit Markets. This webinar will then conclude by explaining the consequences of breaching EU-UK competition law and providing general safeguards to ensure competitive outcomes in the loan syndication process. So let's start with the bidding process when appointing individual banks to the lead banking group. What are the competition law risks? The European Commission notes that the key competition risks at this stage are related to information sharing. That is to say, information sharing between actual or potential competitors, which may result in a concerted practice. This could occur by way of market soundings, that is, the communication of information to one or more potential investors prior to the announcement of a transaction in order to gauge the interest of potential investors. Such a practice would restrict competition where it facilitates alignment of the competitive behavior of actual or potential competitors. Whilst some information exchange prior to the submission of bids may be necessary, it must not have an anti-competitive effect and must satisfy the conditions for exemption under the provision that prohibits anti-competitive agreements. Article 101, paragraph 3 of the treaty. Furthermore, the European Commission found in some cases the borrower sponsor may appoint a single lead arranger to set up the initial banking group and negotiate the loan terms with the other banks, and would mandate that the banks share information in order to reach a common loan price and terms. In such a scenario, the interaction with the banks should be strictly within the parameters set and agreed by the borrower. Otherwise, there is a risk that information shared between the lead bank and other banks involved in setting the terms of the loan could lead to the loan terms moving against the borrower.